Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are back again with another English lesson. So now for today's lesson we are going to learn about is there or are there. Okay, you can ask questions by using is there or are there. Alright? But then here's my question to you guys. How do you use is there or are there? Bila awak nak guna is there dan bila awak nak guna are there? Okay, now for is there. Okay, is there is used when there is only a singular object. Okay, a singular object. Is there kita guna bila cuma ada singular object. Apa maksud singular object? Singular object here means one object only. Cuma ada satu saja objek. Okay. So you can say a or one to describe a singular object. Cara untuk awak tahu benda tu satu, it's either dia cakap one ataupun dekat depan dia ada a. Okay, here are few examples. A police station. Satu apa ni? Balai polis. A bicycle. Ada satu basikal. Ataupun another one is a dog. Satu anjing. See, bila ada a ni represent one. A dekat depan ni bermaksud satu. Okay, so how do you want to use is there? Is actually like this. Okay. Here is an example of a question. When you want to use is there. Cara untuk awak guna dia is there a dog in the living room? Ada seekor anjing tak dekat ruang tamu? Awak tengok, kenapa pakai is there? Sebab cuma ada satu anjing. There's only one dog here. So, is there a dog in the living room? Ada satu anjing di ruang tamu ke? Jadi dekat sini, mana anjing dia? Ada dekat sini. So, this is the dog. So, how you want to answer? If there's a dog in the living room, you say, yes, there is. Okay. So, is there a dog in the living room? Yes, there is. Okay. So, let's say if there are no dogs there, there's no dog in the living room, awak nak jawab macam mana? Okay, soalan masih sama. Is there a dog in the living room? See, tengok. But then in this living room here, there are no dog. There's no dog. Okay, jadi kalau tak ada anjing ataupun tak ada that object, cara untuk awak jawab is no, there isn't. No, there isn't. Maksudnya apa? Tak ada anjing pun dekat ruang tamu. Another way for you to answer is also no, there is not. Okay, apa beza isn't dengan is not? Benda yang sama saja, cuma apa yang bezakan dia ialah isn't ni is a short form for is not. Jadi kalau awak nak jawab pakai no, there isn't dengan no, there is not, dua-dua betul. Both of this answer is correct. Okay. So let's try. Okay, see. Is there a ball on the stairs? Ada satu bola dekat atas tangga. Tengok dekat sini. Okay, so there's one ball here. Jadi, so the answer will be yes, there is. Ataupun yes, there is. Okay, now on to the next question. Is there a cat in the bathroom? Ada seekor kucing tak dekat dalam bilik air? Awak tengok from this picture here. Is there any cats here? Okay, there's no cats. Jadi, how you want to answer? No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Kita pakai isn't again macam yang Miss cakap sebab singular. Okay? Jadi, awak ingat bila is equal to singular. Satu. Jadi, satu a. Alright? Jadi, jawapan dia no, there isn't. Now we go to are there. Okay, are there is used when there are plural objects. Okay, we use are there when there's plural objects. Kita guna bila plural objects. Apa maksud plural objects ni? Plural here means more than one. Okay, macam yang kita dah belajar on our last lesson. We've learned this one for our previous lesson. Plural here means more than one. Lebih daripada satu. 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000. Anything that is more than one is considered as plural objects. Okay, now another way for you to know whether or not it is a plural object is usually for plural objects, you will put S at the end of the word. Okay, for example, ducks. Ducks. See, there are more than one duck. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are 4 ducks. 4 is equal to plural objects. So, you put S at the back here. Ducks. Okay, another example is books. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there are 8 books. Then, another example is shops. Shops. Okay, kalau satu shop, kalau ada satu kedai, we call it shop. Tapi sebab there are 4 shops here, ada 4 kedai, we call it shops. See, at the back of the object, we will put S. Okay, so now, how do you want to use are there to ask question? I'm using the same example. Okay, so are there any dogs in the living room? Ada anjing ataupun tidak dekat dalam ruang tamu. So now, kita pakai are there sebab apa? Any dogs. Tengok dekat belakang dia ada S. Jadi, bila belakang dia ada S, it's a plural object. Jadi, bila plural object, kita pakai are there. We use are there for plural objects. So, are there any dogs in the living room? So, how many dogs are there? There's 1, 2, 3. So, you can answer yes, there are. Ya, ada anjing. If you want to be more specific, kalau awak nak jadi lebih detail, lebih mendalam, awak boleh kata yes, there are 3 dogs. Dua-dua diterima. Both are accepted. Alright? Now, let's say if there are no dogs here, how do you want to use it? Okay, again, the same question. We will use the same question. Are there any dogs in the living room? So, in this living room here, there are no dogs. You want to answer is no, there aren't. No, there aren't. Okay, aren't here is a short form for are not. Okay, so another way for you to answer is also no, there are no dogs. So, this is also acceptable. No, there aren't. And no, there are no dogs. No, there are not is also acceptable because are not is the aren't is the short form or the simplified form for are not. Okay, so another example here. Are there any toys in the dining room? See, are there any toys here? There are no toys. So the answer is no, there aren't. Okay, because why? There are no toys. Okay. Now, okay, again, this one, another example here, another question. How many plants are there in the living room? Ada berapa pokok dekat ruang tamu? See here. So, how many plants are there? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 plants. There are 3 plants. Awak kena jawab 3 plants dekat sini sebab dia kata how many? Ada berapa? Okay. So, now the next one is we are going to sing a song which is actually is there and are there questions. So let's see this video together.
Ready? Repeat after me. Door, door. Window, window. Roof, roof. Ready? Is there a door? Yes, there is. Is there a window? Yes, there is. Is there a roof? No, there isn't. No, there is not again. Is there a door? Yes, there is. Is there a window? Yes, there is. Is there a roof? No, there isn't. No, there is not. Now, repeat after me. Doors, doors. Windows, windows. Roofs, roofs. Ready? Are there some doors? Yes, there are. Are there some windows? Yes, there are. Are there some roofs? No, there aren't. No, they are not again. Are there some doors? Yes, there are. Are there some windows? Yes, there are. Are there some roofs? No, they aren't. No, they are not.
Okay, so how was the song just now? I hope more or less when you sing this song, you get a more deeper understanding on how to use is there and is there and are there questions. Okay, so now that is all for today's lesson. I hope you understand our lesson today. That's all. Till next time. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum.